Zara, and I have long hair which is orange. My eyebrows are also orange. Do you think I'm pretty? Yes, I think so. Look at my eye shape. It's different with my small eyelashes, but I like them. And my nose. It's plump. And I have slightly thick lips, and they are pink in color. Am I not looking pretty? Also, I'll show you the color of my eyes, and you will really like it. It's blue. Blue.
Yes, Sarah, you're such a pretty girl. My name is Beena, and let me show you some body parts now. My hand has moved up with 5 fingers. Hand up with 5 fingers. Leg up with knee bent. Arm up with elbow bend. Leg up with knee bend. Arm up with elbow bend. Look, my arms are moving. Hand, arm, fingers all moving. And one of my leg has moved as well. Oh, look at my fingers. Wrist and finger. Wrist and finger. These are the movements I can make. And don't forget, I'm standing on my feet that has supported my entire body for all these movements.
Thank you for explaining the body parts and their movements.